Hey man, I'm gonna show you one of the secrets I've been using lately to stay in shape. And it's pretty easy. All you need, anybody can do it. All you need, man, a microwave. Set that puppy at about 2 minutes, 15 seconds. You could be making coffee, right? Right now it's going. Then you run, right? So there you. First exercise, 5 count. When you get more advanced, do 20 to 25. Real slow. Lift up your knee. Some of you won't be able to go that high. That's alright. Go over time. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, put your hands all the way in the air, real slowly. Try to touch that knee to the hand. Do not bend. Look at my form. Okay. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now, hand switch knee. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, last exercise. What you're trying to do, you're going to put yourself in this position here. Don't bend down far if you can, okay? So breathe in, then raise all the way up. Okay? That's 1. From the side. Make sure everything's straight. Look ahead. Do not look down. Time's up. I recommend to do this routine at least 5 times a day. And you can also do it during TV commercials. I mean, look, how many commercials do you get during your average movie? Probably get 4 or 5. Knock it out. Get it done with. In a week, I'll be back with something a little bit more advanced. Stay with me. You can do it. And if you only do this once a day, that's fine. I'm just so proud of you for getting up and doing it. Because you only get better if you try. And if you think you're too old, remember, to get over the hill, first you've got to get to the top of that hill. I'm just a guy next door doing stuff.